Alright, so today I'm working on this DSG unit from a Volkswagen Passat. The problem with this unit is that the user cannot enter by diagnostics and the engine won't start. Okay, they said it's a problem in this unit. They already checked all the wiring and stuff, and the voltage, the CAN bus communication wires, and I already saw a problem here. Let's switch to the microscope to see. Okay, I'm gonna adjust the microscope. Let's see. Look at that. So we have broken wires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those are good. I'm gonna check everyone. It's a common fault on these units. I repair those units every week. And in order to replace those wires, you have two options. Number one, you resolder the aluminum wire, the original wire, with a special solder from aluminum, or you can just get rid of those old wires and replace them with copper wires. But to do that, we have to expose the copper from those pads and those pads. We need to expose the copper, we need to grind the aluminum that we have here, and under the aluminum it's copper. Let me adjust the light, and I'm gonna put in the board in the straight direction. Now it's not straight. And it's looking better now. Adjust the light. Let me switch on the ring light, but maybe we can see better with anti-glare light. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is to grind those pads. And I'm gonna use my grinder, and I'm gonna add it to the store. All the tools that I'm using are in my store. You can click it from the link below, and you can buy anything you want. All the tools are tested by me, and are good quality. You can see now the color is changing because now we expose the copper. I don't have to grind the whole pad, just a bit, a tiny bit of to have room to solder a wire. Okay, now I want to expose or scratch this pad. I should not scratch too much here because that layer is it's thin. Sorry. I think I already scratched too much here, but no problem. Let's clean and see. Yeah, I scratched too much here, I grinded too much, but no problem. Okay, now I'm gonna use a big tip with my soldering iron. I think I'm gonna use the medium tip because it's a little area here. It's a small area to work. Okay, I'm gonna put some flux. And I'm gonna add some solder to prepare the pads for the wires. And that is nice. It's enough. Sorry for this PCB is moving. I cannot fix it. Enough and enough. Okay, stay that way. Now I'm gonna use some wires, like I said, copper wires. And I always will use two twisted copper wires. Just like that. Is the perfect size. Okay, where is the scissor? Here, the little scissor. Perfect. Let's move on. That's enough. Let's add some more wire. It looks very simple, right? Well, when you're trying, you're gonna find out it's not that easy, but you need practice and a lot of it, and then it will become easy. And that's true for every workplace, every domain. Okay, everything is looking good for me. I need to clean that again. Okay, and now I need to straighten all the wires, not to touch themselves. And so on, and I'm gonna do it later. From now, from my point of view, this is repaired. It looks like this, and this is the cover. This is the cover. The seal is here, and I'm gonna assemble it and send it back to the customer. And I'm gonna work on something else now.